Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is March 1st. February is a short month, so it's back for another dividend update. Now these are the dividends we received in our Wealthsimple TFSA Trade Portfolio for the month of February. Let's just jump right into it. All right, here we are in the TFSA Wealthsimple Trade Portfolio. We've drilled down with the filter. We can go right to our TFSA account, look at the dividends, and we can see what we've received for the month. Now I really wish Wealthsimple had a better dashboard for seeing your dividends to come through, but again, this is what we have. So what we received, first one, February 7th, REI, that's the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. $2 from that one. We haven't added any shares to that position, so we're consistently getting that $2 every month. That is one I want to add to. The next one we received on February 8th, VDY, that's the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, which is one of my favorites. We received $6.02, which is great. And the last one, February 15th, we Slate Office REIT, SOT.UN. We received $2.16. Now, with these dividends actually coming into the account, I did purchase some more Slate Office REIT actually this morning. I will do an update to the portfolio in a next video. So good time to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And the last one we received last night coming in, RNW TransAlta Renewables, $2.98. So if my calculations are correct, $13.16 for the month of February into the TFSA Wealthsimple Trade Portfolio. All those dividends will be completely reinvested in the portfolio. So it's a great time. Like I said, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, we're trying to grow the channel, but also grow the portfolio up to $100,000. We started last April, so we've been actually almost going for a year now, and it would be great to have you follow along. We've got a great community building here. We've got some great comments and questions that always kind of happen in the on the channel. So it'd be great to have you follow along. If you're not already, check that subscribe button. That's all, everybody. We will see you in the next video.